Hi everyone, my name is Adalberto Villalobos Jr. and I am one of the investors.
I am the CEO of the business meeting. My name is Marjorie Basilan. I am an investor.
Hi everyone, I am John Melor Dadam, Executive Officer of Operations.
Hi, I'm Catherine Amar, the Executive Officer and Marketing.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Ronald Blan, one of the stockholders of the company. Thank you.
My name is Brian K. Vicente, so I am the admin staff.
Hi everyone, I'm the videographer and the editor.
Morning everyone, welcome to the business partnership meeting of L Signal Corporation. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. To begin, may I invite RC for the opening remarks.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's my honor to have you today. Thank you for having time to be with us today. So, everyone, I would like to introduce to you our corporation, the El Sueño Corporation, which is we have a tagline, exporting nature's finest. So, before I proceed with our business proposal, I would like to introduce what is El Sueño Corporation. So, our company is we are from Palawan. So if you know, Palawan is diverse when it comes to natural resources. We are rich in different products, in which it is the reason why we are able to extend our production beyond just in our country, but of course, to be outside of our country, to be able to reach Singapore, Malaysia, and America. So, excuse me. So our company is specialized in delivering high-quality products. If you know why high quality, because it is fresh from our farmers, it is directly buy or bought from our farmers. So this proceed what is the products of our company. So our products first is cashew. You can see here are our major products. We have cashew nuts, we have virgin coconut oil, and we have a dried fish. So I was an island. So basically, we are rich when it comes to natural resources, especially when it comes to seafood. So our cashew products, we brought here some today for you to be able to know and to see the quality that we would like to provide with you. So we have here cashew nuts, we have here cashew tart, and we have bukayo. So bukayo is very popular right now. It's our best-selling product right now. It is very popular to oldies and to the young nowadays. So actually, I brought a lot of our products for you to be able to try and to know what is the taste of El Sueño. Okay, to further discuss our products, I would like to call our executive officer in marketing. To further discuss our products, I would like to call our marketing officer to further discuss what we provide and what the quality that we sustain. Ama, hindi.
Our company is specialized in producing high-quality exports goods sourced from local communities. Our mission is to deliver excellent products while promoting sustainable development and supporting local livelihood.
Thank you. So I would like to call next our operation officer to further discuss how we provide a quality export products. Mr. Badam, we may explain our operations when it comes to providing and producing top quality products.
So for our company, it's export a variety of products, including processed agricultural goods and eco-friendly handicrafts, and especially food items. So its product meets international quality standards in ensuring competitiveness in global market.
So thank you, Mr. Badam. To further discuss about our products, so if you can see here, we have a dried fish. So I can further discuss how we provide a dried fish. So Palawan, like I mentioned earlier, is an island. So we are rich when it comes to natural resources. That's why we are able to produce a top quality products because it is come from our local farmers in which they are products, but of course, we are supporting our local farmers' livelihood. So we do not only prioritize quality of products, but we also prioritize the needs of our farmers, because without our farmers, we will not be here today, because our product is from our local farmers. So this is one of our best-selling products. So later, I will give you each one of you for you to be able to try. So
Excuse me.
this is one of our handicrafts. It is bestseller when it comes to Pasalubong Center, in which it is the pride of Palawan. If you're going to ask why it is a premium, like it was said here premium because it was made from, of course, local bamboo, local rattan, and shells that really outshine the other products by just natural designs from our nature. Let's proceed to our pricing structure. So we have different kind of pricing structures that depends to our investors on how they will go into the outcome of our contract. So the first is we have product base. So it depends on the bulk, if you want to bulk. So here's our product base. We have also a volume discount if you will purchase a lot, so we will have depending on the amount you will be purchasing. And the other one is destination adjustment. So currently, it has a big pricing when it comes to fuel, so it really adds to the cost of transportation for the exporting the product. So it will also depend on the large or the volume you're going to purchase. So the first is partner pricing. So even if you have a long-term partnership, of course, we will guarantee you lower cost or the lower prices. So let's continue to the payment terms and commercial safeguard. Those of payment terms, we offer a flexible payment options, which is if you are going to purchase, we will give you a 30 to 50% discount. It depends on when will you going to pay the product. So next is net terms, which is negotiable for you if you want. If you're really interested in our company, so we'll be having a credit checks and other references. So we have also, to avoid the risk, so we have risk mitigation, which is we have letters of credit, we have insurance, that which is available for another transaction upon request. So it will not be a problem when it comes to the payment. So we really offer a flexible payment terms. So next is transparent invoice. So you order, we provide we will provide for you our terms right away. And of course, our receipt depends upon your payment. So this is the end of my presentation about our company. So let's proceed to the question and answers. If you have any more clarification when it comes to our company, of course, to our products.
Is expected to return on investment for potential partners?
So for our return of investment, as we see, we have already an international partnership. So we are able to provide a top quality product. So we can assure you that your investment within our company will be not lost. Because we assure you that your investment to our company will be given to you doubles, because our company currently, and we are able to sustain the top quality products, and we are able to compete with the market for years.
I have a question. How do you ensure product consistency?
So we ensure product consistency, as you see, we get our raw materials from our local farmers, as they are really natural products and high quality. So we ensure the consistency of our product, because before we launch or introduce our product to the market, it undergoes a quality check. So along the way, before the product go to the market, it already checked the quality. So before it reaches customers or consumers, the company already assured that it has a quality.
Okay, I got that point. Aside from that, since you've mentioned expert product, this means that you're going to experts, so you're going to put your product outside the country, specifically in Singapore and America, as you mentioned earlier in your presentation. My question is, how do you handle shipping challenges in terms of international market?
Of course, we cannot avoid the challenges when it comes to shipping, especially when it's outside the Philippines. But of course, we offer a refund for those damaged products when it reaches the customers there. So it assured that the company investor or the buyers will not have loss because we will get refunded to those damaged products during transportation.
I also have a question, since you didn't get what I want. I have still a question. Since what marketing strategies do you use to promote your products in the new market? Since you are wanted us to invest in your company, what is your marketing strategies?
So our marketing strategy, so currently everyone is aware that social media is everywhere. Social media is the most influential platform nowadays. So we post in advertisement, we post in our Facebook page, we have this Facebook page, we have Instagram page, we have TikTok page, and we have Twitter. So there you will know, or it will give it will provide to those different consumers that depends on the platform they use, so it can easily be accessed. In our page we post what is ingredients of our product, what our product. So basically, in everything of our product, it is posted on those pages that our product introduced.
Okay then, you've already answered all the questions that we wanted to know. Partner, do you have anything to say?
We appreciate the clarity and look forward to the proposal.
Yes, we will looking forward for the proposal.
It's nice to hear, and we will prepare a formal partnership proposal and agreement we will review. We are hopeful that this discussion will lead to a strong business relationship.
Formal to close the meeting, I invite CEO Ms. Gladys Yasis.
Thank you so much once again. It's my pleasure for your participation and dedicating your time to be here today. And we are looking forward to our partnership.